Don't you hate it when you get all those visitors come to your site and no one really buys? Hey everyone, I'm Patel, and today I'm going to break down 10 psychological triggers that make people buy from you. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. So let's get started. I'm going to break down 10 things that can help you generate more sales. It's going to be pretty quick. Some of these you may know, but I bet you're not using them all. And if you did, you're going to start getting more sales from you. And I'll even make you a deal. If you use them all and you can't get any sales and you have some visitors, because if you have no visitors, it's hard to get sales at all no matter what you do. But if you have visitors and you implement these and you don't get any sales, you can hit me up and I will help you out for free and get on the phone and break down what you did wrong. And you can easily do that by just leaving a comment below. The first tactic, availability and scarcity. Have you ever been on Amazon and noticed that they'll show you that, hey, there's only 5 items left? And when they do that, a lot of people, it pushes them over the edge to get them to purchase. Not only that, but what from we've tested, when you actually show how many items you have left, if it's a small number, we actually see a higher checkout completion rate, so you're generating more sales. Now, you don't want to lie, and here's what I mean by this. Some companies are like, hey, we have 1,000 left, but let's only say we have 5 left. That's unethical. You don't want to do that. The second thing is novelty. Great example of this is Elon Musk's flamethrower. Everyone's like, oh, cool, here's a flamethrower, and check out this image that you can see on screen of the flamethrower. I wanted one of them. It was a novelty. They got sold out before I could even buy them, but at first they were selling a lot of them. It was just so cool. I was like, oh, as a kid, I would see those flamethrowers. I want one of them. That's an example of novelty. Then you have authority. So if Tony Robbins sold something, or our ex-president Trump or Obama sold something, that's authority, and people will end up buying, right? Because they have a figure. Whether someone may like that political figure or not, you have to keep in mind, there's always someone on both sides that always likes someone, whether you or I dislike them or like them, right? So authority makes a huge difference. A more neutral example of this is Elon Musk. If Elon Musk sells something, I know there's some people that don't like him, but Elon Musk, he has a big fan base, including me, and if he sells something like that flamethrower, I'll probably be one of the first people that try to buy it. Then you have urgency. A great example of this is, hey, if you buy this today, and this is another example that Amazon uses, you can get it tomorrow if you buy it by this time. Or if there's a Prime Day where there's specials going on, that you only know you'll have a certain clock or window to generate those, to make that decision. Next tactic, it's a reason why. Think about it. Why is someone buying? There has to be a good reason. Is it the novelty? Is that you're solving a problem? If you can explain how your solution solves their problem, such as UberSys, one of my softwares, people buy it. There's a free version, but people buy it because they're like, oh, cool. I want extra help to getting rankings faster. And people buy it because we offer coaching and a lot of other things in our paid membership. Gives them a reason why. Another tactic that works so well is having a common enemy. A lot of times, if you could make someone out to be a villain, and you don't want to pick on someone, but it could be a concept or a strategy, or it could be a group, like this is an extreme example, like terrorists, right? If you have a common example and you're saying, hey, we're a nonprofit, and if you donate here, it'll help fund these groups that'll combat these terrorist organizations and make sure that women can still get education, or that people could live, and have good human rights. That's the example of coming up with a common enemy. Then you have anticipation. You know how Apple does their launches? It's like, oh, I think they're going to release a MacBook. I want to buy this new phone. I want to buy this watch. And they do this launch. That's an example of anticipation. Now you got social proof. People don't want to be the first one through the door and getting bloody and be like, oh, is this going to be good? Is it going to work? Is it not? They want social proof, from reviews to testimonials to star ratings. This all helps people become really comfortable. That's why you see all these e-commerce sites using reviews and testimonials and star ratings. You also want to use significance. What's the significance of purchases? Does it make them look better? Does it make them, be perceived as a certain way, right? That really does help. And the last tactic that you should be using is community. If they feel that they can be part of a community, when I used to sell info products, I would let people be part of a community where we all help each other grow. It was great. I had fun in the community. I had fun helping people out. Plus, everyone else loved it because they knew they were getting help from not just me, but other people who are going through the same thing as them. If you follow all those psychological triggers, your conversion rate is going to go up. And if it doesn't, leave a comment below and I'm here to help you out for free, as I mentioned. And if you want my ad agency to just do this all for you, check out NP Digital. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you for watching.